Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we're going to demystify a term that pops up constantly in organic chemistry reactions and problem sets: equivalence. You've probably seen it written as add 2 equivalents of a reagent and wondered what that specific instruction means. Is it a volume? Is it a mass? Let's clear it up with some simple examples. At its heart, the term equivalent is all about stoichiometry, or the molar ratio between reactants. Think of it like a recipe. If you need 2 cups of flour for every 1 cup of sugar, you could say you need 2 equivalents of flour for every 1 equivalent of sugar. In chemistry, we use moles instead of cups. So, 1 equivalent is our baseline amount, usually our main starting material, which we'll call reactant A. If a procedure says to add 2 equivalents of reactant B, it simply means you need to add twice as many moles of reactant B as you have of reactant A. For instance, if you start with 0.5 moles of reactant A, you would need to add 1.0 mole of reactant B. The concept is crucial because many organic molecules have more than one reactive site. Consider a simple diacid, like succinic acid, which has 2 acidic protons. If you add only 1 equivalent of a strong base like sodium hydroxide, NaOH, you will only remove one of the 2 protons. To fully neutralize the molecule and remove both protons, you must add 2 equivalents of the base. Another classic example is the reaction of a Grignard reagent with an ester. This reaction doesn't stop after 1 addition. The first equivalent of the Grignard reagent attacks the ester to form a ketone. But ketones are also highly reactive towards Grignard reagents. So, a second equivalent of the Grignard reagent immediately attacks the newly formed ketone, ultimately producing a tertiary alcohol after an acidic workup. If you only added 1 equivalent, you would get a messy mixture of unreacted starting material and different products. Using 2 equivalents ensures the reaction goes all the way to the desired tertiary alcohol. So, in summary, 2 equivalents is not a fixed amount, it's a relative amount that tells you to use a 2-to-1 molar ratio relative to your main starting material. It's a chemist's shorthand for ensuring you have enough of a reagent to get the job done, whether it's reacting at multiple sites or driving a reaction to completion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this explanation clarified what equivalence means in your organic chemistry course. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and allows me to make more educational content to help you succeed. See you in the next video.